To utilize the credit simulator on Credit Karma, begin by accessing the tool on the Credit Karma website. Once logged in, navigate to the Resources section and select the Credit Score Simulator option. This tool allows users to explore the potential impact of various factors on their credit score. Upon accessing the simulator, select a factor to simulate, such as obtaining a new loan, transferring balances, or applying for a new credit card. Other options include closing an old credit card, adjusting credit card balances or limits, missing payment due dates, or dealing with foreclosures, collections, or wage garnishment. After choosing a factor, provide any additional information requested to simulate the effect on your credit score. By following these steps, users can gain valuable insight into how different financial decisions may influence their credit score, providing a useful tool for managing and improving credit health.